Hey guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to create this everyday glowy makeup look. So I am starting out with the CoverGirl brow pencil, which I'm using a lighter shade in my brows, but I feel like it makes them look really natural, like if I didn't even add any makeup to them. Then I'm going to set my brows using the Almay, and this one is the Almay Brow Styler, so it sets them in place and it's in color clear, so I'm guessing they have different colors. Then I'm going to be spraying with the Glow Mist by Pixi. This will help to nourish your face, give you a luminous and smooth complexion. Then I am applying the vitamin C lotion, and it's a brightening moisturizer. Girls, I've been testing out lots of drugstore skincare that are working really good for me. So I'm taking the Wet n Wild foundation in cream beige. Girl, you need this foundation in your life. I've been recommending this foundation to my girls because it's so good. It doesn't oxidize, it lasts all day, and it looks bomb, and you can build up the coverage. It looks really good. Really love this foundation. This is my second bottle. Alright, so make sure you apply it on your eyes too to just color correct, and then we're using the NYX concealer in a light ass shade, but girl, you gotta work with it because you want to brighten up that under eye area. So every time you want to brighten up the under eye area, use 2 shades lighter than your skin tone. This was 3, but I made it work. And then I'm taking my favorite setting powder, which is the Airspun powder, and applying it all over my face, all over, not just the under eye area, girl. We apply it everywhere here in Arizona because it's so freaking hot, even though I don't even go outside right now, but you know what I mean. I want that makeup to stay. So then I'm taking this palette by e.l.f. I am taking the Modern Metals blush and highlighting palette. The colors in here are so freaking beautiful that I had to use it on my eyes. They're just so beautiful. So I'm taking that on my eyes, and just look how just natural it looks. So beautiful. They're so pigmented, so creamy, and there's like no fallout. So you're welcome. Then I'm just going to curl my lashes and use this mascara by Hard Candy, the Hard to Extend mascara. Girl, this mascara, it's so good. It just makes my lashes so long. Then I'm taking the Hype Easy eyeliner by Maybelline. This eyeliner is really good. Rimmel London also has one. Then I'm going to take this full coverage foundation by CoverGirl. Yes, it's a foundation, but girl, you know we multitask. I'm using it as a bronzer to contour, whatever you want to call it, and it just works really good on my skin. I freaking love it, and I haven't hit pan, and I use it every day, literally, because I film every day. Then I'm taking the Almay black brown pencil and just applying it on my top lower lash line, applying again the spritz of Pixi just to melt everything with my brush. You guys know that I love doing this. This is one of my biggest tips if you guys want your makeup to look as natural. Then I'm taking the Revlon's Wonder Woman new highlighter. So this is their collection for the Wonder Woman. You guys, this highlighter, you just need a little bit and it looks so freaking glowy, but make sure you blend it because you can tell if you don't blend it, but it's just so creamy. Like, I seriously want to dig my finger in there. Then adding a little bit of that blush because I've been a good girl in adding blush to my routine. For my lips, I'm taking Milani's nude lip liner, and I'm also taking their Fruit Fetish in blueberry lip gloss. I will be making a separate video on how I make my lips look bigger because, girl, there's no injections in here. Not yet. There will be maybe, but. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.